Hello, good evening everyone. Can everyone hear me? Tell me, those who are online, Shinika, Samragni, Oipsha, can you people hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, last day I had given some homework questions. Why you people are talking so much? Okay, we were doing continuity. But differentiability was solved. What can we tell you?
So you did a problem now. Root over of half into root over of half plus half into root over of half. You took half as root over of half as cos theta. Like how to find the logic behind it?
Because see, it was a series question. Okay. Remember, it was a series question, infinite series. And we have solved infinite series of cosine in trigonometry. We were there in trigonometry. So from there I got the logic that I have to use cosine over there. Understood?
Every case of infinite series, you have to use cos.
Yes. Because see, infinite series of cosines we have solved, but infinite series of sine or tan we have not solved. Right? Only cosine series we know. Understood? From there you can get the logic. So first one, discuss the continuity of f of x equal to x. Over here the f of x is continuous at x equal to half. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. F of x is continuous at x equal to half. Rest everywhere it is discontinuous. Tell me. I just equate both the equations. Wherever they are equal, you'll get it. In these kind of questions, always equate both of them. Okay, you'll get the result. Third one. Again, x square equal to 1, x equal to plus minus 1. So f of x is continuous at x equal to plus minus 1. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me. Next. Over here, a should be greater than 64. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now.
Sir, can you solve question number 2?
Question number 2. Is the function f of x where this is GIF? Okay. If f of x is continuous in 4,6, f of x is continuous in 4,6, find a. Okay, we need to find out the value of a for which this function is continuous in 4,6. Okay. Next. So try to understand. Box function is always discontinuous at integers whenever it is an integral value. Let us find out the range of x minus 2 whole cube. Family, what happened? So Shamli, tell me what is the range of x minus 2 whole cube? Tell me what is the range of x minus 2 whole cube when x belongs to 4,6. Tell me what is the range? Go on. What is the range? Quickly tell me. X minus 2 whole cube, sorry. Tell me. Go on, tell me what is the range? Tell me what is the range. Don't tell me how to solve. Tell me the range directly. 8,64, correct. So range is 8,64 everyone. Okay, this is where the numerator lies. Are getting everyone? This is where the numerator lies. So over here, see when a is greater than 64, box of x minus 2 whole cube divided by 64, box of x minus 2 whole cube divided by a will turn into 0. Are getting?
Sir, can you repeat what you just said?
See, now what do you have? You have box function of 8,64 in the numerator divided
Yes.
by a. Okay, divided by a into cos of
Sine of x minus 2.
into sine of x minus 2 plus a cos x minus 2. Okay, so box function. So over here, what should be the value of a? A should be greater than 64. Then the box function will be equal to 0. Wait, I'm checking. From here, a is greater than 64. So the whole box function will be 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have got a, then only the function is continuous. So what will happen when a is less than minus 64? A is less than minus 64. Okay, let me think. Minus 64 or minus 8? Ah, yes. Wait, let me see. Whether we can choose a less than minus 64 or not. So box of 8, 64. Box of 8, 64 divided by minus 64. Okay, we have to take the box function. Okay, we have to take the box function. So 8 by minus 64 will be lying between minus 1 and 0, and 64 by minus 64 will be straight minus 1. Okay, but if it is still less than minus 64, then it will lie between minus 1 and 0. So box of that function will give us minus 1, constant minus 1, right? So I think a can be less than minus 64.
But it can either be greater than 64 or it can be less than 64. It will be
Both the
one
things.
condition.
Only one condition will satisfy. So there are two answers actually: a greater than 64 or a less than minus 64. Tell me, are you getting Adrija?
Yes, sir.
Both are correct. I mean, either of them is correct. Okay, both cannot be the answer simultaneously. Either of them is correct. Anyways.
So can you show
But-
the solution once?
But what is the? Is there any range for a given, or a was anything? So then you can take negative values. Tell me, is it clear? Okay. Abhigyan, are you getting? Shrita, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. Next one, discuss the continuity of cos to the power 2x. N pi. Over here, part 1, n pi. Tell me. At n pi, it will be discontinuous. Discontinuous at x equal to n pi. Right. Tell me, Shamli, you have a doubt? Tell me. Agniva? For n belongs to integers. F of x equal to box up to by 1 plus x squared, so x equal to 0, comma plus minus 1. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
Sir, I think we should
I think we should.
take some other value. It is already given.
And oh, achha, k belongs to integer. X equal to k pi, for some k belongs to integers. Okay, same thing. Box of sin x plus cos x. So over here there are 6 points, but I am writing it out. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Those who are online. Box of sin x plus cos x will be, let me see, where is it? over here. X equal to pi by 2. X equal to 3 pi by 4. X equal to pi, comma 3 pi by 2, comma 7 pi by 4, comma 2 pi. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? No?
Can you shoot a 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4 value?
3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So let us start. Box of sin x plus cos x. What is the range?
I mean, minus root 2 to root 2.
Minus root 2 to root 2, right? Everyone knows. So what are the values it can give us? Tell me. This is number part 3, right? So what is box of sin x plus cos x will give us? Tell me. It will be range is, what is the range? Minus root 2 to root 2. So the integral values will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, box of minus root 2, right? So minus 2 also. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, can it give us 2? No. These are the only 4 values it can give us. Okay, tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, first of all, let us simplify sin x plus cos x. Can you understand that sin x plus cos x? Achha, what do we need to do? Do you remember? We used to multiply and divide by? We have to multiply by 1 by root 2 and divide by 1 by root 2. So this will be equal to 1 by root 2 into sin x plus 1 by root 2 into cos x multiplied by root 2. Okay. Achha, which one to convert? Sin or cos? Tell me. Which one would be better? Sin. Okay, sin. Sin of pi by 4 plus x into root 2. Okay. This is the graph we need to draw. We need to draw the graph of root 2 into sin of pi by 4 plus x. Let us start. So at x equal to 0, what is the value of x? What is the value of sin? 1 by root 2 into root 2, that is 1. So it will start from 1. Can you people understand? It will start from 1. Next. After that it will increase, then decrease, then again increase, right? Okay. So when will it reach root 2? When sin pi by 4 plus x is equal to 1. That means x equal to pi by 4. At x equal to pi by 4 it will reach. Are you getting? Then it will go below. Okay. Let me see where it will end. We need to find out between 0 to 2 pi, right? So at x equal to 2 pi, what is the value? 2 pi plus pi by 4, that is sin pi by 4 only, sin pi by 4. Again, it will reach 1. Okay. So 1 complete. Okay, it will complete 1 crest and 1 trough. Okay. Tell me, anyone have any doubt till now? This is how the graph is going to look like. Okay. So let us understand what are the discontinuous points. Okay. First of all, pi by 4. Can you understand? At x equal to pi by 4, the greatest integer will give us. Oh, no, not pi by 4. Pi by 4 at x equal to pi by 4, it will be root 2. Root 2. The box of root 2 will give us 1 only. Okay. It is increasing. So what there we don't have. Over here we'll have. Over here we'll have. When it is going below. Okay. At x equal to, we need to check. When will it be equal to 1? Sin pi by 4 plus x into root 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So sin pi by 4 plus x will be equal to 1 by root 2. So x equal to sin pi by 4 plus x equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. So what are the values of x we can check? X equal to 0. 0 we don't need to take. Not needed. X equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 will be one of the discontinuous point. Let us see pi by 2 I have written.
Pi by 2 is 0.
Pi by 2 I have written it. Okay.
Pi by 2 is
Because it is starting from 0 only, right? It is left on the left hand side, there is no portion of the graph. It is right continuous, right, from 0 to 2 pi. Do you remember continuity in an interval? Okay, so first point will be, I'm writing it down, okay, x equal to pi by 2. Next, when will it be x equal to 1 again? Over here. Right, over here also there will be a discontinuous point. Okay, what is the value? 2 pi. So have I written 2 pi? 2 pi will also be there. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Shamli, is it clear? Next, again, where will be the graph break? -1, right? So -1, when will it reach -1? That also we have to check. So √2 into sine pi by 2 plus x will be equal to -1. This implies sine pi by 2 plus x will be equal to -1 by √2. For what value of x, sin x is equal to -1 by √2? Pi plus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Wait, not 5 pi by 4.
Sir, I guess that was pi by 4.
Pi by 4, yes, correct. Sorry. Pi by 4 plus x. So one is pi plus pi by 4, another one is pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4, and pi plus pi by 4 will give us 5 pi by 4. Oh no, 2 pi minus pi by 4. So 7 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. Have I written 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4? 7 pi by 4 I have not written.
7 you got 5.
I have written 7 pi by 4. So I hope you have understood how 7 pi by 4 is coming. Okay, and where it will break again? Tell me. Where will it break again? There is some place where.
If I put x is equal to 7 pi by 4, it will become sin 2 pi.
Sin 2 pi.
It will become 0, not 1 by.
Yes, so what? It is coming back over here now, so it will come at 0.
X is equal to 7 pi by 4, that way the limit of sin pi by 4 plus x is equal to 1 minus 1 by.
Wait, let me check. We are talking about y equal to -1, right?
I think
This y equal to -1. Achha, at 0 also it will break. 0 I didn't consider. 0 I'll consider.
7 pi by 4.
I'll consider 0. But let us -1 though we have to consider. Right, at -1 it will break. Okay. So -1 by √2. Wait. So pi by 4 plus x. Wait a minute. Pi by 4 plus x will be equal to pi plus pi by 4. That is 5 pi by 4. Oh, acha, it was pi by 4 plus x. 5 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Yes, so over here, what is the value of x? X equal to 3 pi by 2. Yes, 3 pi by 2 and pi. Right, so have I written 3 pi by 2 and pi? Just check. Have I written it? Achha, then we have to check for x equal to 0 also. For 0, what will I get? I'll get sine pi by 4 plus x will be equal to 0. Tell me, for what values of x, sine pi by 4 plus x equal to 0? First of all, sine theta is equal to 0, so pi and 2 pi, right? Right, so pi by 4 plus x will be equal to pi and 2 pi. So x equal to pi minus pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4. And over here we are getting 7 pi by 4, yes. So 2 more points. One is 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 and pi. Another one is 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. So these are the discontinuous points. In total there are 6. Some people wrote 4 also, I don't know. Okay, let's see, this kind of questions may come, right? The number of points of differentiability, the number of points of discontinuity. Okay, this kind of questions can come. You have to check it. So is it clear? Have I written all these 6 points or have I written some more? These 6 points only, right? And I hope you people have understood the graph also. Graph is sinusoidal only, but range will be -2 to √2. First 50 questions were easy today. Rishabh, do you bring the paper? Should have brought the paper. Number 5. 4, anyone having any doubt? No. Number 5. Okay, let us start. Number 5 is easy. It's like arithmetic mean. What is given in 5? Show that the function f of x equal to x minus a whole square plus x into x minus b whole square plus x takes the value a plus b by 2 for some value of x belonging to a comma b. Of course, a plus b by 2 belongs to a comma b. Right or not? Tell me. So what is f of a? F of a equal to a. And what is f of b? F of b equal to b. Okay. So how will the graph look like? The graph will look somewhat like this. I don't know whether it is increasing, decreasing. I've just, without loss of generality, I've taken it is an increasing graph. So Abhigyan, this will be point A. This will be point B. Right. This will be point A. This will be point B. And where is A plus B by 2? A plus B by 2 is over here. Right. Are you able to see that there exists a value corresponding to A plus B by 2? Right. Between A and B. Are you able to see? Hence proved graphically. Okay. Huh?
It's a board like this.
Board like this. Okay. Is it clear? Let me see. I think this is how you have to prove. There is no other way. Okay. Mathematically, this mathematically only I have done it graphically. Okay. Same thing. You have just written it in steps. I did it graphically. Okay, 4, 5, 6 are proof problems. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. 4, 5 and 6 are proof problems. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. No? Number 7, the answer is given as x equal to 1. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Very easy. So it came this year only. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me, I'll explain. 7 you couldn't do. Okay, I'm solving. What is given? F of x equal to ax square plus 2ax plus 3 divided by 4x square plus 4x minus 3, and it is equal to b when x equal to minus 3 by 2 comma half. B continuous at x equal to minus 3 by 2, and f of x is equal to 7 by 5. Find x. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what have we got? F of x equal to ax square plus 2ax plus 3 divided by 4x square plus 4x minus 3. Okay, be continuous at x equal to minus 3 by 2. This f of x is continuous at x equal to minus 3 by 2. So what can we say? That f of minus 3 by 2. So actually limit x tends to minus 3 by 2. Okay, f of x must be equal to f of minus 3 by 2. Right, this is one thing. So over here, x tends to minus 3 by 2. What do we get? A into 9 by 4 plus 2a into minus 3 by 2 plus 3 upon 4x square plus 4x minus 3. This will be equal to b. Okay, so from here what do we get? 9a by 4. Wait, let me see. So from there we'll get the value of a. Wait. So this also x equal to minus 3 by 2. Denominator is, let me see. Acha, denominator also we have to substitute, right? So it becomes 0 by 0 form. Acha. See over here, denominator is minus 3 by 2. Can you understand? Tell me. Denominator is minus 3. I mean minus 3 by 2 is a root. You check. 4 into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 3 by 2 minus 3. Okay, this will give us how much? 4 into 9 by 4. That is 9. 9 minus 6 minus 3. Okay. So denominator is 0. Okay, that means this is 0 by 0 form. Can you understand? If it is 0 by 0 form, numerator has to be equal to 0. If the numerator is equal to 0. So limit. So a into minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2a into minus 3 by 2. That is this expression. Should be equal to 0. Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 should be equal to 0. So over here what do we get? 9a by 4. 2 gets cancelled. Minus 3a plus 3 should be equal to 0. This will give us minus 3a by 4. Must be equal to minus 3. This implies everyone got a equal to 4. Tell me, a is equal to 4. So what is f of x? So from here we'll get the value of b as well. Right? Now what do we need to find out? Let me check. Then x is equal to f of x is equal to 7 by 5. We need to find out the value of x. Huh?
We need in half.
Yes, yes. Okay, can you sit here for some time? Okay, give me some time. Sit.
So since when x is half,
F of x. Tell me.
so when x is half, can you both b or that limit for it? So if you don't know the value of b, it can come as 7 by 4. You have to verify that.
We have to find out f of x. We have to find out b.
Yes.
Right. So over here, limit x tends to minus 3 by 2. Okay, we have got 4. What is a? A is 4. What is a? 16a. Sorry, 16x square. 4a. A into x square. Now, so 4x square plus 4x. No, plus 8x plus 3. Divided by 4x square plus 4x minus 3. So over here, x equal to minus 3. Wait a minute, 4x square plus 8x plus 3. Okay, we can factorize. Right, on factorization, what do we get? 2x plus into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 1. So these 2 gets cancelled. You are going to get 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. So everyone, what is the limit? Therefore, and this is equal to b. So limit will be equal to 2 into minus 3 by 2, that is minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 minus 1, this is equal to b. So everyone got b is equal to half. Tell me. You understood b equal to half? Okay. Achha, b is equal to half. So, and f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 when x is not equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. F of x equal to 7 by 5. We need to find out the value of x. Do we have to solve this equation?
That's what I told. Why find b is this?
No, we have to check. Like verify it.
For half, it can be either one of the.
Are you getting?
We are not getting x is equal to half.
Let me see. F of x, do we have to find out the composite? The whole thing. Is there any shorter way? Simple. Let's see. F of x. will be equal to f of x will be equal to 4 into f of x plus 8f 4f square plus 8f like this, right? No, then
Like 2x plus 1 divided by
oh, you have cancelled it off.
Yes, I put x is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by 2.
So 2f plus 1 divided by 2f minus 1.
Yes.
And the next one will be how much? B was half. This is when f is not equal to minus 3 by 2 and minus half. Okay, and this is when f is equal to minus 3 by 2 and minus half. So let us simplify. This will be equal to how much? 2f plus 1. So 2 into 2f plus 1. What? What? Easy. Divided by 2f minus 1 plus 1. So lengthy. Divided by
So why f 2x there, right? Like f of f
f of x is equal to 7 by 5. So this one not fx. So 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, divided by 2 into 2x plus 1 by 2x minus 1 minus 1. This will be equal to 7 by 5. From here we have to find out the value of x. Right, tell me. Let us multiply by 2x minus 1 in the numerator and denominator. We'll get 4x plus 2 plus 2x minus 1. What? Tell me. This part. This is what f of x is. Tell me. 2 into f plus 1 divided by 2f minus 1. Right. So instead of x, instead of f, we have to again substitute 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1. Are you getting? Okay. So, and what is this given as? This is given as 7 by 5. Right. So 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into 2x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1 is minus 1 is equal to 7 by 5. Let us simplify. 4x plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 2 minus 2x plus 1. This will be equal to 7 by 5. Okay. And what are we getting? 4x plus 2x, 6x plus 1 upon 6x plus 3. This is equal to 7 by 5. Oh, denominator is 2x plus 3, right? Sorry. Cross multiplying will get 30x plus 5 is equal to 14x plus 21. So from here I am getting x equal to 1. Okay. Is there any shortcut, or this is all you people have done, or something else also you people have done? Tell me. No. Same length. It was lengthy. Okay. But actually B can also be equal to 1 by 7 by 5, na? So then x equal to minus 3 by 2 and half will also be the solution of the equation. Are you getting? So, and if x equal to minus 3 by 2 and half is also a solution, you are missing out on 2 roots of this equation. If f of x equal to half, so f of x will also be equal to half. Why? F of x equal to half for all x belongs to real, na? Understood? Is it clear? Did you understand the whole solution? Some was lengthy. 23rd Jan. Anyways, next. Number 8. Number 8, the answer is 385. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. The answer is 385. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. No? Those are online. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Aipsha, you have any doubt? Madhurjo, Rasheshwari, Samragni, anyone having any doubt? Sheeta?
If the case where f of x is equal to b, then we would get different values of x and ask for the specific value of x. So that can
F of x equal to b. Okay, so f of x can also be equal to b.
then x
Right.
can be anything.
Acha, over here, suppose instead of b, it was given 7 by 5. Then what would have been your answer?
Then it would have been there. But since it's b and
Are you getting?
b is unknown,
B is
we have
unknown.
asked for a unique value of x. So that is why
Where they have written x is equal to.
this then x is equal to.
Yes, but see, this kind of question can come like this also. Find the number of roots of this equation. Right. Then excluding minus 3 by 2 and half will be a criminal offense. Are you getting? Anyways. Abhigyan, is it clear? Okay. So let us continue differentiability, everyone. Anyone having any doubt still in the homework question? Okay, so home, when you go home, make a good PDF. Send it to me. Okay. Huh? Still not serious. Okay.
Sir, give exam video class 1 hour ago.
Still you are not serious, man. Okay, so go to temple every day, okay, till your JEE mains. It is very much required for you, I'm telling you. Huh?
I have been like a temple time.
Your home? No, not that one. Go somewhere and go barefoot.
I will come to
Okay. No, no. Go barefoot. Not my house. My house is not a temple. Okay. It is very much required for you especially. Okay, he's still not serious. Okay. Shana, I can hear your voice. Yes, you want to tell me something? Tell me. Okay, next. Derivability and continuity. Everyone, this is very important. Okay. Derivability and continuity. Okay, everyone. Derivability and continuity. Next, number 1. If a function okay, just give me 1 minute. I can hear your voices. Okay. Attention. Okay. So if a function is continuous, if a function is derivable, it implies that it is continuous. Okay. Whenever a function is derivable, it implies that it is continuous. Okay. Let us see the proof. Okay. When can we say? Let us see the proof. So everyone, the function is derivable. Okay. That means f of a plus h minus f of a can I write it as f of a plus h minus f of a? Can I write it as f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h? Okay, I have multiplied and divided by h. Tell me everyone. Are you people getting? F of a plus h minus f of a. I can write it as f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h multiplied by h. Next, applying limit. This implies limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a. This will be equal to limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a divided by h multiplied by h. Are you people getting? Tell me. And since the function is derivable, since the function f is derivable, okay, can you see that this is a finite quantity? Finite quantity multiplied by 0 will give us 0. This is a finite quantity. Finite multiplied by 0 will give us 0. Are you getting? So right hand side is 0. So over here what do we get? Limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a equal to 0. This implies limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h is equal to f of a. So see everyone, if limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h is equal to f of a, can I say that f is continuous? This implies this is the standard form of a function to be continuous, right? This implies f is continuous. Tell me, Abhigyan, are you getting? Ayubsha, are you getting this? Tell me. Is it clear? Okay. Next.
Sir, can you please show the upper part once I missed?
Yes. Tell me, Pratyay, is it clear? Pratyay, Madhurjo, Anvesha, Advito, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
What function is? Ah, yes. Yes, what is the issue? Tell me. At x equal to a, I am checking. Okay. We need to check the continuity and derivability at x equal to a. Okay. Is it clear? Shaya, is it clear? Next. For a function f, differentiability implies continuity. Differentiability implies continuity. For a function, differentiability implies continuity. Okay. But non-differentiability does not imply discontinuity. Okay, everyone? If the function is non-derivable, it does not mean that it will be discontinuous. Okay, everyone? Why? Everyone pay attention. For example, y equal to mod of x. Is it continuous or discontinuous? Tell me. It is continuous, right? Is it derivable? Let us see. Okay, whether it is derivable or not around x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, everyone. At x equal to 0. So everyone, limit h tends to 0. What is mod of x? Oh, no. H tends to 0 plus. What is mod of x? Tell me. What is the value? X. Wait a minute. Oh, no. We have to check the derivability, right? Wait. So f dash at 0 plus, we need to find out f dash at 0 plus, na? Will be equal to, what is f dash x at 0 plus? 1. Right, are you people able to understand? At 0 plus, mod will open with a positive sign, x. Next, f dash at 0 minus will be equal to? -1. So see, they are unequal. since LSD is not equal to RSD, since left hand differentiability is not equal to RSD, this implies the limit, this implies the f is not derivable. F is not derivable. Okay. Next, for example, one more example I am taking. Y equal to x square. Okay. So over here you will understand the exact meaning of, graphical meaning of differentiability. Okay, everyone, y equal to x square. Y equal to x square is, this function is continuous at x equal to 0, 1, everywhere. Okay. And y equal to x square is also differentiable. Let us see. Let us find out what is f dash at 1. F dash at 1 will be equal to limit s tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. Right. What is f of 1 plus h? Will give us h square plus 2h plus 1 minus f of 1 will give us 1. 1 gets cancelled, divided by h. Okay, h, 1h gets cancelled. When you substitute h equal to 0, you are getting 2. So this is what f dash at 1 is. Right, tell me everyone. Are people getting? Agniva, are you getting? Shana, is it clear? Shashwata? Ritam? Tina, is it clear? Shashi? Okay, so f dash at 1 is equal to 2. Okay? And over here, what is happening around 1? Pay attention. When you substitute y equal to x square. What is happening around 1? Actually, I should have found out x equal to 0. But still, you people tell me what is f dash at 0? Tell me what is the value at f dash at 0? 0, right? Both left hand derivative and right hand derivative both will be equal to 0. Now let us talk about mod x at x equal to 0. Achha, everyone, what is the graph of mod x, everyone? Achha, let us use the first principle, okay, for mod x. F dash at 0. Achha, if f of x equal to mod of x, okay, f dash at 0 will be equal to limit s tends to 0, mod of 1 plus h, mod of 0 plus h, minus f of 0 is 0 divided by h, which will give us mod h by h, right? Yes. Tell me, Shashi, are you getting? So what is f dash at 0 plus? F dash at 0 plus will be equal to 1. Right, Shana, are you getting? And what is f dash at 0 minus? Tell me, Shana. Minus 1. Why? It will open with a negative sign. Yes. Because 0 minus negative. So mod h will open with a negative sign, so it will become minus 1. Okay. See how will the graph look like? The graph of y equal to mod x will look somewhat like this. Around x equal to 0. Right, tell me everyone. See, what is the difference between both the graphs? See, at x equal to 0, this is smooth. Right. At x equal to 0, this is smooth. Smoothly it is turning. And at x equal to 0 mod x, there is a sharp corner. Are you getting? There is a sharp corner. Okay, so write it down. Wherever you get a sharp corner, the function is non-differentiable at that point. Okay. Here, there is a sharp turn. There is a sharp turn at x equal to 0. Okay. You can write it as, this is known as sharp corner or geometrical sharp corner or geometrical sharp corner at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0. Okay. So wherever you get a sharp corner, the function is not differentiable at that point. Tell me, anyone having any doubt till now? Tell me, those who are online. Protoy, Madhurjo, Adrija, Abhipsha. Anyone having any doubt? Adrito,
No, sir.
Samragini, Shrita, Shubhangi, Shubhankit. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Shinika.
Yes.
Next, number 3. And if I say if a function is continuous, does it imply it is differentiable? Tell me. Tell me. If a function is continuous, it is differentiable, right? Everyone is saying yes. Seriously. Only he said no. Just now we have seen, right? How you people are copying. Blindly your people are copying. Y equal to mod x. It's continuous. Is it differentiable? Blindly you people are copying. As if I am like, if a function is continuous, it does not imply. It does not imply it is differentiable. Okay. Next. Number 4. If a function is discontinuous, okay, can I say it is differentiable? No. Then it implies non-differentiability. Then it is non-differentiable. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask now. If a function is discontinuous, then the function is non-differentiable. Okay. Next. For example, okay, I'll mathematically prove this also. See, this is the function. Okay, at x equal to a. Let us say at x equal to a, it is discontinuous. It is discontinuous at x equal to a. Okay, like this. Tell me, are you people getting? So over here, limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a by h. We are talking about this. Okay, limit h tends to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a by h. Achha, is f of a plus h minus f of a over here 0? No. Is it non? It is non-zero, right? Because you see, this is f of a plus h, right? For h greater than 0, and this is f of h, f of a, right? So there is a gap, right? There is a difference between f of a plus h and f of a. Oh, achha, by mistake. But anyways, my question is, it is non-zero, right? So non-zero by 0, does it exist? Tell me. Non-zero by 0, does it exist? So limit does not exist. H equal to 0 plus 0. Yes, both the limits should exist now. Then only the function is continuous. Okay. So limit does not exist. So that's why I took h tend to 0, not specifically 0 plus or 0 minus. So limit does not exist. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay. Hence, f of x is not differentiable. So discontinuity also imply non-differentiability. Okay. Hence, f of x is non-differentiable. Okay. Tell me. Also, if f of a plus h minus f of a equal to 0, if f of a plus h minus f of a is equal to 0, okay, then f of x is continuous. Then f of x is continuous. Okay. So limit will exist, right? So limit will exist. Okay. So from the above example, hence from the above example, okay, from the above example, and y is equal to mod x, okay, we can say that if a function is non-differentiable, if a function is non-differentiable, then it may or may not be continuous. Then it may or may not be continuous. Okay, means if a function is differentiable, we can be absolutely sure that the function is continuous. Okay, but if the function is continuous, it may or may not be differentiable. Like for example, y equal to mod x. Y equal to mod x is continuous, but we cannot say it is differentiable, right? Next, does discontinuity imply non-differentiability? Tell me. Yes? Okay. Okay, let us do one problem on assertion reasoning. Okay. Okay, means statement based problem. Okay. Those who are online, anyone having any doubt, tell me. Okay, everyone can see the screen. It's question number 1. Try this out. Can everyone see the full question? Like you're able to read it or not? Tell me. Try this out. Okay, those who are in the last bench, write the answer a little bit huge. Okay. In larger fonts. Correct. Correct. Wait. Which option? Write properly which alphabet you have written. No, check it again. Okay, those are online. Write down the options. Yes, Adrija right answer, Oipsha right answer, Shubhangi right answer. Should I start? Everyone, let us start. Okay. Correct. Now it is correct. There is no. Huh? There is no AC. Check it again. Write in larger font. Write separately, whatever. Actually, just now the government has changed, so now they will start installing AC. In JEE there was AC.
No, in JEE. Oh. You got a good center.
You have changed your center. Yes. You have to give an application to President Murmu. Okay, and then you can change your. Yes. Yes. It's correct. Yes, Pratyay, right answer. Who is this? I guess. Check it again. Rasheshwari, right answer. Aditya, right answer. Who's copy? Yours. Correct. Correct. Shinika, right answer. Ronak, right answer. So how much are you expecting? At least. I write down the number. At least tell me 110, 120. No. Rishabh, how much are you expecting? 110, 120. How much you attempted? 75. 75 plus 80. In total. You wanted to fail or what? Huh? You wanted to fail or what? Huh? So, how much? Purposely wanted to fail. There's no option left. I can enjoy one more year. Okay, I'll tell you what happened when I went to FG, give the FG exam. Okay, I'll tell you. So anyways, everyone pay attention. Consider a function f of x equal to box of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2. F of x is discontinuous, of course. It is discontinuous at x equal to 2. That is true. Right? Everyone? It is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Right, Shesi, are you getting? So statement 1 is true. Okay. So statement 2, f of x is non-derivable at x equal to. So everyone, is statement 2 the correct explanation of statement 1? No. Are you getting? F of x is discontinuous at its own place, okay, because limit x tends to 2 plus 2 minus. Their left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Because left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, we can say f of x is discontinuous. It's not because f of x is non-derivable at x equal to 2. Okay. It implies non-derivability, but it is not the correct explanation to statement 1. So option B is correct. Are you getting? Vice versa. Yes. Means because of that statement 2 is correct, then it. Tell me, those are online, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Joyatra, right answer. Next. So this one I have a question. You have to raise your hand and answer. In the previous question, if statement 1 and statement 2 were interchanged, then which option would be correct? Raise your hand. Interchanged. Then which option would be correct? Yes, Shashwat, tell me. Option A would be correct. Then option A would be correct. That's correct. Tell me. Those are online, are people getting? Okay, because you interchange the option. See state over here, when you interchange the option, statement 2 is f of x is discontinuous at x equal to 2. Okay, so f of x will become non-derivable because f of x is not continuous at x equal to 2. Okay, because discontinuity implies differentiability. Okay, non-differentiability, sorry. Discontinuity implied non-differentiability. Derivability over an interval. Derivability over an interval. Okay. Okay. F of x is said to be derivable. F of x is said to be derivable over an open interval. A comma b, if it is derivable at each and every point of the interval a comma b, means it should be derivable at every point between a and b. Okay, means the graph should be totally smooth between a and b. Okay, there shouldn't be any sharp corner. Okay, and f of x is said to be derivable. Over the closed interval. A comma b, close a comma b, if part 1 for the point A and B, f dash a plus and f dash b minus exists. Okay, f dash a plus and f dash b minus exists. Okay, then only we can say, this is the first point, one of the condition. Another condition, for the point A, for any point, C belongs to open A comma B, f dash C plus and f dash C minus should exist and are equal. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Shashwata, is it clear? Soham, Rishabh, Shamali, are you getting? Shesi, Rina, are you getting? Abhigyan, Agniva, is it clear?
If we take C plus get C as B, then C plus will not lie into A comma B.
Yes, that is why I wrote open interval, na? C, open A comma B, so that we can never take C equal to B, right? That's why I took C belonging to open A comma B. Is it clear? So let us do some problems, everyone. Question number 2. So let me know whether we have done this sum or not. Have we done this sum? Find if the function, I think we have done this. Find if the function mod ln x, have we done it? Okay. Discuss mod ln x, last day we have done it, right? Discuss the differentiability of f of x equal to ln square x at x equal to 1. You just have to tell me whether it is differentiable, non-differentiable at x equal to. Is it done? Correct. Yes, Aditya, your answer is correct. Check it again. Check it again. Check it again. So should I start, everyone? Tell me. We can start. F of x equal to ln square x. No, check it again. F of x equal to ln square x. Okay, let us use the first principle. Okay, everyone. So when can we say the function is differentiable? Tell me. Left hand differentiable, left hand derivative and right hand derivative should exist and be equal. Okay. So everyone, what is f dash at 1? F dash at 1 will be equal to limit h tend to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 divided by h. Right, tell me everyone. This will give us limit h tend to 0, f of 1 plus h. So that will give us how much? ln 1 plus h whole square. Oh no, wait. ln square 1 plus h. Right, tell me everyone. ln square 1 plus h minus f of 1 will give us 0 divided by h. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, let us convert it into standard form. Multiplying by h and dividing by h. So h square, are you getting? Converting it into standard form. Multiplying by h in the denominator and multiplying by h in the numerator. So this limit will be 1. 1 into h. This will give us 0. Which is a finite quantity, everyone, right? So f dash at 1. So f dash at 1 is equal to 0, which is finite. Right, tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me. Joytro, Rasheshwari, Pratyay, Anvesha,
Yes, sir.
Shirika, Madhurjo, are you people getting? It's finite. Shamali, are you getting? Yes or no? It's a finite quantity. Samragni, is it clear? Okay, f dash at 1 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Next, method 2. Method 2, what you can do is, you can directly differentiate. Okay. So, what do we get, everyone? Differentiating f of f dash x will be equal to 2 ln x by x. Right hand. And what is f dash at 1? F dash at 1 will be equal to 0. Okay. So this implies, now see, f dash at 1 is equal to 0, a finite quantity. So f is differentiable. Huh? Actually, I have found out f dash 1. f dash 1 plus will give us the same value. F dash 1 minus will also give us the same value. Right. So that is right. That's why I can say that it is differentiable. So there is one more thing.
Sir, if dash 1 plus is positive on the upper hand and 1 minus is negative,
Why minus 1, my negative whole square?
like 1 comma 0 is critical point. 1 plus means it is greater than 1 from the above.
1 plus ln 1 plus whole square. It is in the positive side. Ln 1 minus will be negative. Negative whole square will become positive only. Getting my point? Tell me. Ln 1 plus positive already positive. Ln 1 minus negative whole square will be positive. Okay. It's clear, Agniva? You're getting? Okay, ln square x. What is the range, everyone? Range is from 0 to infinity, right? So will the graph look somewhat like this? I don't know. I have to check. F of 0 plus. F of 0 plus. Okay, I think the graph will look somewhat like this. It seems like there will be a sharp corner at x equal to 1, but actually it will be a smooth curve. Okay, I'm just trying to draw the graph. After that, I'll check. Let's see. At x equal to 0 plus, it will be infinity, right? After that, over here, there is not a sharp, it's not a sharp corner. Okay, it is a smooth like this, I guess. It's not a sharp corner. I think so. To just check. Wait. Huh? Graph is in. No, it will not be pointy. See, I'm not drawing a pointy curve. Okay. Means it will be smooth. Okay. Are getting? Because in ln square x at x equal to 0 also it is differentiable. It will be a very slightly it will be curved. Okay. It will be slightly curved, not a sharp corner. Let's see whether this is the graph or not. ln square x. ln x. Okay. Are you people able to see that at x equal to 1, it's a smooth curve. It's not a sharp corner. Okay. So by just drawing the graph, okay, when you draw the graph, if you solve this problem just by drawing the graph, you won't be able to make out that it is differentiable or not differentiable. You have to do it mathematically. Okay. Huh? Yes. So that's why you people were saying non-differentiable. Okay. There's another problem. I'll give it. Okay. Just by drawing the graph, you won't be able to make out. Okay. Anyways, everyone see. How can we find out the derivative by first principle? Okay, derivative of any function by using first principle. If f of x equal to ln x. Okay, Shesi, did you understand the previous one? Shamli, Tina, is it clear? Those who are online, did you people understand the previous problem?
Yes.
F dash x will be equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. Right, tell me everyone, are you people getting? So this will become ln 1 plus x. Sorry, ln x plus h minus ln x upon h. So what is ln a minus ln b? Ln a by b. So this will become ln of x plus h by x. That is ln plus ln 1 plus h by x. Right, tell me everyone. Now as h tend to 0, this argument is tending to 0. So in order to convert it into standard form, what do we need to do? We need to divide by x. Dividing by x multiplied by x. This part will become 1. So hence the derivative is equal to 1 by x. Tell me, is it clear? You can find out the derivative of any function using the first principle. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Why d by dx of ln x is equal to 1 by x? Next. This is known as first principle of derivative. This is known as derivative by first principle. Tell me, Shrita, Samragni, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3. Right. Discuss the differentiability of f of x equal to e to the power minus mod of x at x equal to 0. Solve. F of x equal to e to the power minus mod of x at x equal to 0. Want to sit with her?
No.
No, right?
Sir.
Correct. Hold it. Okay, Sadija, right answer? Adito, right answer? Okay, let me start. Okay, f of x equal to e to the power minus mod of x. Okay, everyone, let us start. We have to find out whether f of x is differentiable or not differentiable at x equal to 0. Yes, Rashishwari, right answer? So in order to check the differentiability, limit f dash at 0 plus, this will be equal to. Yes, Pratyay, right answer. Limit h tends to 0 plus. Okay, f of x plus h minus f of x by minus f of 0, f of x plus 0 minus f of 0 divided by 0 plus. Okay, h is 0 plus. H, let us write h only. Currently, let us write h. Now, what is f of x plus h? H tends to 0 plus.
So that will be f of 0.
So first of all, let us find out f dash x. F dash x will be equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of h upon h. F of x, sorry. So this will become how much? E to the power minus mod of x plus h minus what is f of x? E to the power minus mod of x divided by h. Acha, how will you mod? Acha, so over here, this will become e to the power. We can take e to the power minus mod of x common.
Why take common? Why not put x is equal to 0?
Directly.
Yes.
Acha, let us substitute f dash at 0. F dash at 0 will be equal to e to the power minus mod of h minus 1 divided by h. Right. Now we need to find out f dash at 0 plus and f dash at 0 minus. F dash at 0 plus, this will be equal to, if mod will open with a positive sign, so it will be e to the power minus h minus 1 by h. Okay. So I think we have to subtract, we have to multiply it by minus 1 to convert it into standard form. Multiply by minus 1. So I think right hand derivative will become minus 1. Tell me, you people got it? Minus 1. Let us find out f dash at 0 minus. F dash at 0 minus, this will be equal to e to the power plus h minus 1 by h. Okay, this is plus 1. So it is not differentiable, right, everyone? Since LHD is not equal to RHD, since LHD is not equal to RHD, this implies f is not differentiable. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask now. Yes, tell me, Abhigyan.
We can do it by differentiation also.
Yes, that is the second method, but I wanted to do it by first principle. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You people understood? Tell me. Everyone understood?
We define f of x.
Huh?
We define f of x first. At x around x equal to 0. Then when it's less than 0, it was coming as f of x equal to e to the power x. And so when we substitute LHD, that is become e to the power minus h minus 1 by h.
LHD.
In LHD.
Huh.
Then when you substitute LHD, that's x minus h. So it's becoming e to the power minus h minus 1.
No, it will become e to the power h minus 1, na? Because you are in a different branch at x tends to 0 minus, na? Also, you see, how will the graph look like? E to the power minus mod of x, na? When x is 0 plus, this is the graph of e to the power minus x. Right, tell me. When h is 0 plus, it's the graph of e to the power minus x. Do you remember the graph of e to the power minus x? Yes or no? Like this? Okay? H tends to 0, h tends to 0 plus, it will be the graph of e to the power minus x. So I think the graph will look somewhat like this. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? Okay? And when x is tending to 0, 0 minus, for 0 minus the graph is of the function is e to the power x. Okay, so it will look somewhat like this. This is how the graph will look like. And see, you will get a sharp corner at x equal to 0. Tell me, are you getting, Rishabh? I mean, Som, is it clear? Tell me.
This means,
Sir, since I have drawn the graph, can anyone tell me what is the range of this function? Raise your hand, tell me. Since I have drawn the graph, tell me the range of this function. Anyone, raise your hand, tell me. You people understood how I drew the graph? Tell me the range of this function. Okay, same hands. Acha, Rishabh, tell me.
0 to 1.
What, which brackets?
Open 0 and close 1.
Correct, open 0 to close 1. Are you people getting? Those who are online, are you people getting? Yes or no? Okay.
If you substitute 1 instead of in place of x, then you will get e to the power 1.
E to the power minus 1. Let's substitute 1.
Mod, there is a mod.
E to the power minus mod of x too.
Oh, yeah.
Are you getting? Whether you substitute 1 or minus 1, it's the same thing. The function is even. Whatever I've drawn on the right hand side, same I've drawn on the left hand side. Shashi, you understood?
Sir, can you please turn the flap from me to someone else?
Acha. I don't know how to operate. Oh. Now it's fine?
Huh.
Okay. Don't know how to operate. Okay, it's fine.
so just make the comfort using same is
I don't know. This much. I just know how to. Okay, anyways. So do you remember I have used this a lot of times, everyone? Okay, today I'm going to show you the proof. Okay, as I told you that many proofs I'll be doing after differentiability. Okay, you people remember fg dash? What is fg dash, everyone? F dash g plus g dash f, right? Okay, UV rule. Let us see the proof of UV rule. Okay, everyone. I have used this a lot of times. You people have also used this a lot of times. Have you people seen the proof before? I mean, you have done it in somewhere, school? No? Okay. Let capital H is equal to F into G. Okay. Now see, since F is differentiable, G is differentiable. Can I say H is also differentiable? Okay. Everyone, let us start. What is H dash? H dash will be equal to limit H tends to 0. F of x plus H into G of x plus H minus f of x into g of x divided by h. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Is it clear? Okay. Now over here, limit extends. What happened?
So it is again pointing at me only.
Pointing at you.
Sorry.
Na ono pata nahi.
Okay, everyone, pay attention. So this will become. Acha, what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize the numerator. Okay. I'm going to factorize the numerator. I'm going to add and subtract some terms so that I can factorize. Okay. F of x plus h into g of x plus h. I'm going to add and subtract. Wait, let me see. So that I get f of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, everyone. So f of x plus h into g of x plus h. Okay, can I subtract f of x into g of x plus h? I guess. Okay, let me see f of x into g of. Yes. G of x plus h. So since I have subtracted this, I am going to add this one plus f of x into g of x plus h. Tell me, did you people understand what terms I've added and subtracted? Minus f of x into g of x. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Divided by h. So I've added some terms, I've subtracted some terms. Okay. What am I getting? In the numerator, I'll take g of x plus h common. Within brackets, we are going to get f of x plus h minus f of x. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Plus, over here, I'm going to take g of x plus h common. I'm going to get f of x. Oh, sorry, wait. F of x common. Wait a minute, I'm making a mistake. Wait, let me see. Subtracted this, I've added this, f of x into g of x plus h. It's a plus, I guess, plus only, or should be minus. Yeah, wait, g of x plus h, let us take g of x common. G of x is.
No, if you take f of x, it will make g of x plus h minus.
Wait, I think I'm doing some mistake. It should be f of x. Wait a minute, I'm making some mistake. Wait, let me see. F of x plus h into g of x plus h minus f of x into g of x plus h. If you take g of x plus h common, f of x plus h minus f of x. Over here also we should get f of x plus h minus f of x. But we are not getting this. That means I have added and subtracted wrong terms. Okay. Let me think.
So I think
Okay.
it's okay.
Wait. Let me think. Over here, what is common? F of x is common, right? But we don't have to take f of x common. Or have I added the wrong terms? X plus h. Okay, wait. Subtracting f of x plus h into g of x and adding f of x plus h into g of x. Let's see. I think this should work. Okay, so over here, when you take f of x plus h common, f of x plus h common, you are going to get g of x plus h minus g of x. Are people getting? G of x plus h minus g of x. Next, over here also, if you take minus f of x, oh, we are coming back to the same thing. So I'm adding and subtracting some wrong terms or what? Minus f of x. Should be g of x plus
Sir,
h.
I obtained the result for this.
Wait. Let me think. Minus g of x common. What are we getting? Why g of x? Minus f of x common. But f of x
Sir,
is
G
not
of X
common. G of x common.
Yes,
Minus g of
we
x
get
common.
G of X into F of X plus H minus.
F of x minus f of x plus h. But we are not getting it. F of x plus h minus f of x. Okay, wait. Divide by h. Okay, wait. I understood. Wait, everyone. Okay, so over here, everyone. What is g of x plus minus g of x plus h minus g of x divided by h? G dash x. And when you substitute h is equal to 0, this is f of x into g dash x. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Minus g of x. And what is this? F of x minus f of x plus h divided by h. That is minus f dash x. So minus g of x into minus f dash x. I got confused in between. Okay. I was thinking that something will be common, but no. Over here, both the terms will have separate results. Okay, so see, this becomes fg dash plus f dash e. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me now. So see, UV rule. Same way you can prove u by v rule also. Okay, you people try u by v rule by yourself. Okay, let us prove chain rule. Chain rule, but I don't think so there is anything to prove. Should I prove it? Tell me, chain rule. Chain rule, I don't think so anything is there to prove. But still, if you want to understand by first principle, pay attention. Chain rule. Okay. So if h of x is equal to f of g of x, what is h dash x? H dash x will be equal to limit h tends to 0 f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x divided by h. Right, everyone? So everyone, in order to convert it into standard form, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write f of g of x plus h minus f of g of x divided by g of x plus h minus g of x multiplied by g of x plus h minus g of x divided by h. Tell me, I have multiplied and divided by g of x plus h minus g of x. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? What is this? This is f dash g of x. Can you people understand? This is f dash at g of x. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Multiplied by, this is g dash x. Hence proved. If you are having any difficulty, you ask me, I'll explain. Tell me. Acha, how it is f dash g of x? Pay attention. What is f dash at g of x? F dash at g of x will be equal to limit h tends to 0. Wait a minute. Limit h tends to 0. G of g of x2 is okay. Achha, f dash at g of x. G of x is just a constant, right? G of x is just a constant. So we are actually subtracting the argument, right? F dash at g of x will be equal to f of g of x plus h minus f of x plus h. Okay. See, in the denominator, in the first principle, in the denominator, we actually subtract the argument x plus h minus x, right? So over here, what is the argument? G of x plus h minus g of x. Should be g of x over here. Tell me, are you people getting? If you are unable to understand, ask me, I'll explain. Tell me, Abhigyan, are you getting? Agniva, are you getting? Shana, is it clear? Rishabh, Soham, Trina, are you getting? Shamali, Oipsha, are you getting this? Oipsha, Adrija, Anvesha, Joytra,
Yes, sir.
Agni, Shrita, are you getting?
This because
Yes,
of
sir.
the slope.
Huh?
Because of the x coordinates, g of x percentage and g of x becomes the x coordinate.
Exactly. Actually, see, in the denominator, in the first principle, in the denominator, we actually subtract the arguments. Right. Over here, what is the argument? G of x plus h minus x. Okay, so we are subtracting the arguments. Okay. Question number, what is the question number? Tell me 4, 5. What is it? 5, 4. Find LHD and RHD of the following. Number 1, f of x equal to mod of x minus 1 at x equal to 1. Number 2, f of x equal to mod of x cube at x equal to 0. Solve, solve, solve. Quickly solve. First one is correct. Second one, okay, I'm solving this one. Everyone pay attention. Done.
First one.
First one is correct.
This one.
Both are same. Correct, correct. Okay, everyone, let us start. Mod of x minus 1. Watch, I think Shinika has sent. Yes, Shinika, 4 part 1 is correct. Adityo, both are correct. Shubhangi, 4 is correct. Adrija, 4 is correct. Oipsha, 4 is correct. Others also write your answers. Shrijita, Samragni, everyone write your answers. Ronak, Shavankit, everyone write your answers. Shinika, oh, Shinika is written in. Everyone write your answers. Okay, everyone, let us start. F of x equal to mod of x minus 1. Yes, Shinika, right answer. So what is f dash x? Everyone, let us start. What is f dash at 1? F dash at 1 will be equal to limit s tends to 0. Yes, Oipsha, right answer. Ronak, part 1 is correct. F of 1 plus h. minus f of h upon h. F of 1 plus h will give us how much? 1 plus h. 1 will get cancelled. Mod h.
Mod h minus 0.
Mod h minus 0, right? Everyone upon h. So we are getting limit h tends to 0. Mod h by h, right? So everyone, f dash at 1 plus, what is f dash at 1 plus? This will be equal to limit h tends to 0 plus. At 0 plus, mod h will open with positive sign. So h by h will give us 1. And f dash at 1 minus, limit h tends to 0 minus h by h, which will become minus 1. Okay? Is it differentiable? No. Everyone can see. Shana, are you getting? Agliba? Abhigyan, are you getting this? Shaisi, is it clear? Shaisi, are you able to see without specs? Sure? How many fingers are there? Sir, 2.5. No, I showed 2.5. Wear specs properly. Achha, anyways. This never gets old.
Last time I said was 5 fingers.
Yes, but this time I asked how many I am showing. I did it in class 11 also. In class 10 also she fell for it. In class 11 also she fell for it. No, part 2 is not clear. Okay, everyone. F dash at 1 minus will be equal to minus 1. F dash at 1 plus will be equal to plus 1. Part 2. F of x equal to mod of x cube, everyone. Let us start. So at x equal to 0. Okay, let us start. So what is f dash at 0? F dash at 0 will be equal to limit h tends to 0. F of yes. For 0 plus h minus f of 0 divided by h. So f of 0 plus h means f of h means mod of h cube minus f of 0 is 0 divided by h. Mod h cube is h only. Right, tell me everyone. That is h cube by h, which will become h square. So what is f dash at 0 plus and f dash at 0 minus? They both are same. Okay, so it is differentiable. Mod x cube, how will the graph look like?
Mod x cube, why will it be directly x cube?
Mod.
It will come out with plus minus sign, won't it?
Mod x cube, what?
Mod h cube is equal to directly h cube by h cube. It will come out with plus minus sign, right?
Yes.
Oh, I understood what you are trying to say. I understood. I understood. No. My bad. So plus minus h cube by h. Basically, it will be plus minus h square. You are saying, right?
Yes.
Okay, but anyways, f of 0 plus f of 0 minus 0. Okay.
Some other value does matter.
Over here, you see, we have mod, but still the function is differentiable. Are you getting? So there is some special property of x cube. We'll learn it later. Okay, in AOD, we'll learn it later. There is some special property of f of x equal to x cube.
So what is it?
Point of inflection. We'll discuss. Wherever there exists a point of inflection, that mod function becomes differentiable. We'll discuss it later. I'll discuss. Okay. Next, everyone. Achha. Question number 5. F of x equal to sin x square by x. X is not equal to 0. Is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Find tangent and normal. Find tangent and normal at x equal to 0 if they exist. If they exist. Find tangent and normal. You have to write down the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal at x equal to 0. No, check it again. Should I start? Family, are you getting everything?
Sir.
How are you getting this? I've got something else. Both are getting this. I've written the question correctly. Write down the equation of the tangent and normal. Write down the equation of tangent and equation of normal. Okay, you people know what is tangent, what is normal.
From x equals to 0, how will the equation?
Try to think. Okay, let us start. Okay, everyone. We have to find out the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. We have got the point. Point is the origin, 0, 0. It's given to. At x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Point is given. Next. So over here, what is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to limit s tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Right, tell me. And we have to find it at 0, right? So f dash at 0 will be equal to, see, the more you write down these formulas, okay, it will be there in your head. F dash at 0 will be equal to limit s tends to 0, f of 0 plus h, that means f of h minus f of 0 upon h. So what is f of h, everyone? F of h will be equal to sin h square by h minus f of 0 is 0 divided by h. So this will become how much? 1. Right. F dash at 0 will be equal to 1. Are you people getting? So I've got the slope. I've got the point. Therefore, equation of the tangent will be, equation of tangent is y minus 0 is equal to 1 into x minus 0. This will give us y equal to x. Tell me, are you people getting, yes or no? Quickly, someone tell me what is the equation of normal to this straight line. Raise your hand. Tell me the equation of normal. Yes, Shashwat, tell me.
Y equals to minus x.
Y equal to minus x. Therefore, equation of normal is y equal to minus x. Tell me. Agniba, Abhigyan, are people getting? Tell me, those who are online, Adrija, Anvesha, Joytro, Protyay,
Yes.
Madhuryo, Samragni, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, note. Product rule. Product rule. F into G and quotient rule. Is only valid when both f and g are differentiable functions. Okay. So in the above question, we should not apply quotient rule in I've written sin x square by x. Tell me, is it clear to everyone? So in the above question, we should not apply quotient rule. Because see, x is differentiable. But is sin x square differentiable? Think. What do you think, everyone? Is sin x square a differentiable function? No. You'll get a sharp corner. Try to understand. Right? Do you remember the graph? Forgot it. Okay. Next. This one I'll give as homework.
So after the question that you did of ln of x square or something like ln of x square, should we at all trust the graphs?
Huh?
Should we at all trust some new graphs?
ln square x. See, whenever there exists a mod, okay, always have suspicion on those mod graphs. Okay, always try to draw the graph or check with the first principle. Okay, but whenever it is ln square x and all those things are there, don't do it with graphs. Okay, check with the first principle. With mod graphs, with mod functions you can go on with just drawing the graph. Okay. Discuss this question number 6. Discuss the differentiability. Discuss the differentiability of number 1 y equal to mod sin x at mod sin only mod sin x. Okay, you have to tell me at which points there it is differentiable, non-differentiable. What is it? Y equal to x into mod of x at x equal to 0. Keep solving, everyone. Yes, Adija, first part is correct. Correct, first part is correct. Second part is correct. First part is correct. First part is correct. Number 3, y equal to x into mod of x minus 1 at x equal to 1. Part 4, y equal to x minus 1 into mod of x minus 1 at x equal to 1. Yes, Shubhangi, you have to also tell me where is it not differentiable. Where it is. First one is correct, second one is also correct. Oh, check it again. Check the second one. First one you have not done it. Second one. What is it? Like differentiable, non-differentiable? No, check it again. Yes. Sure. Find f dash 0 plus and f dash 0 minus. Not differentiable at what? Second one is correct.
Okay, like if there's 0
No, not only that one, but there will be some more points. It's correct, but there will be some more points. Right. But we are finding x.
Now also
Yes, both are correct.
sir,
Wait. Let me check one by one.
So it's differential.
Now it is done. See, Abhijaan, you can solve. Why don't you send your answers when you are online? Playing game. Hey, Roblox. Hey, why are you feeling so shy?
Just 0 minus 0 plus.
How much have you written? That's why you define the function. Okay, then what did you do?
Yes, then we will, okay, and x equal to 0.
No. Limit is 6 is 0. So you must find f of 0 plus. Na? F of 0 plus, what will you get? You will get 0 plus h. So f of h will be equal to h square. Na? What have you done? After defining the function, why are we substituting x into mod of x once again? Not correct. Na? After defining the function, you use the new definition. So let us begin one more. Shubhangi, there will be some more points for 6 part 1. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Shubhankit, part 1 is correct. Check part 2. Part 3 is correct. Prote, don't send it in the group. Adrija, all your answers are correct. Adrito, all your answers are correct till now. Pratyay, part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Shubhangi, your answer is correct now. Avipsha, part 1, there will be some more points. Part 2, you have to tell me whether it is differentiable, not differentiable. Tell me something. Anvesha, part 1 is correct. Part 2 is correct. Yes, tell me, over here. This is part 3.
Part 4.
Part 3, part 4. Part 4 is correct. This is part 3 is correct.
Part 3.
Part 3 is correct. This one. Huh? Correct.
Part 3 and part
Part 3 is correct. Part 4 is correct.
Part 2 and part 3.
Part 3 is correct. Part 3 is correct. Yes, anyone else? Shana, is it done? First one. Show. What? Again? Sin x equal to 0. X equal to 0. What?
Aerodynamics.
Huh?
They are trying to make a diagram.
System.
I didn't say it. So anywhere it's like a focus. Anywhere you point the light, it will come at the focus. So anywhere he is focusing the air, it is coming at him.
Oh.
This is a curse position. I will not say that from next day.
Outside.
What happened? Like, still it is coming.
Ah.
Oh, still you cannot.
Sir, the air is different, pointed at that side. At that side. It's reflecting and coming.
Okay, I think you should change your place with Agniva. Agniva is feeling hot.
Agniva.
See, what happened? See, you are totally perspiring. What happened?
Just think about
Anyone is doing 3rd degree on you or something, something like that. He's so scared. See his face. You change your place with him.
Agniva.
Hey, Jyotra, first one is correct. Shift. Hey, you can change your place. Huh? Oh, David, why are you perspiring so much? Tell me. You do something wrong on your way to class. Did you? All right. All right. Hey, he's so perspiring. As if the whole Lal Bazaar is behind him. See?
He is a political party.
Oh, that's why.
Actually, he lost na some days before.
Some days before, what did he lose?
Arey, he lost. You don't know?
Elections.
Baha.
Oh, actually. No, we don't talk about elections over here. Kanvesha, third one is correct. Okay, Samragni, check part 4. Everyone pay attention, everyone. First part. Y equal to mod sin x. Okay, do you people remember the graph? Y equal to mod sin x? Tell me. This is how the graph looks like. So whenever it is equal to 0, whenever sin x equal to 0, it becomes non-differentiable. You can see sharp corners. Okay. Why actually see, why do we say it is non-differentiable? Because at that particular instant, you don't know what will be the direction of the tangent. Are you getting? That is why it becomes non-differentiable. Like see, you can draw two tangents at that point. One is this, other one is this. That is why we say that it is not differentiable. Because at particular instant, we cannot determine the direction of the tangent. Okay, so that is why it becomes non-differentiable. Okay, so over here, mod sin x is non-differentiable. Okay, write it down. Mod sin x is non-differentiable. At x equal to n pi. For all n belongs to integers. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? But see, let us say that this sum comes in school. Okay, then in school, how you have to solve it? Pay attention. So basically, you have to define the function. Okay, everyone? You have to define this function. You have to write it as y equal to sin x. When sin x is y equal to sin x when sin x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, and it will be equal to minus sin x when sin x is less than 0. Okay, so what is y dash? Y dash will be equal to cos x when cos x is greater than or equal to 0, and minus cos x when cos x is less than 0. Right. So after that, what is y dash at 0? See everyone, y dash at 0 will be equal to minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 0, it will be equal to, oh no wait, 1. It will be minus 1 when x is less than 0. Are you getting everyone? Like this you can solve. I think they will give marks. I don't know. Okay.
Sir, x is greater than equal to 0, we have to write some interval, right?
X is greater than or equal to 0, so we have to move on the right hand side. No?
No, but we have to write the interval x. We can't just say x is greater than equal to 0.
X is equal to 0 plus.
Okay.
We are differentiating on right hand side of 0 and left hand side of 0. This is what I meant. Okay. Actually, not x. Basically, cos x is greater than or equal to 0. Now I think it will be fine. Tell me. And over here, cos x is less than 0. Tell me. If there is anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. So since LSD is not equal to RSD, so f is not differentiable. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. can ask me now. Next, y equal to x into mod of x. This is part 2. Okay, Shashi, is it clear?
Yes, sir. I did the first.
First one did? Okay. Y equal to x into mod of x. Everyone pay attention. At x equal to 0. So everyone, first of all, you define the function. This is the first thing you need to do. F of x will be equal to x square when x is greater than or equal to 0, and it will be equal to minus x square when x is less than 0. Right, Shamli, are you getting? What is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 2x when x is greater than or equal to 0, and minus 2x when x is less than 0. Okay. So everyone, what is f dash at 0 plus? Will be equal to 0, and f dash at 0 minus will be equal to minus 0, right? Okay. F dash at 0 minus. So hence f is differentiable. F is differentiable at x equal to 0. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? Next, part 3. Those who are online, are you people getting?
Yes, sir.
Acha, everyone, also note it down. So f dash x is also a function, right? Tell me, in part 2, f dash x is also a function. Let us differentiate f dash x once again. F double dash x will be equal to 2 when x is greater than or equal to 0, and it will be equal to minus 2 when x is less than 0. So is f double dash x differentiable at x equal to 0? No, it is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay, remember.
So what does it signify?
Because at that point we cannot understand the concavity of the graph. Are you getting? Because f double dash x, what does it signify? The concavity of the graph. So since over here f double dash x is not differentiable, we won't be able to understand what is whether it is concave upwards or it is concave downwards. That is where lies the point of inflection. Are you getting? We'll discuss it. Okay. But tangent line will exist. Okay, we'll draw it, you'll understand. Okay, but not now. Give some more time. So we can say that f dash x is not differentiable. Is not differentiable.
If double dash x is differentiable.
F
Double dash.
no f double dash x is not differentiable na for x.
Double dash. If we differentiate double dash, we get x triple dash.
Oh, f triple dash x. Okay. Differentiable at x equal to 0. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me.
If dash x is not differentiable at any value of x.
Currently, we are thinking about at x equal to 0. Why not any value of x? What about 1? 1 plus and 1 minus, it is 2 only, right? Right. So it is differentiable at other points.
Differentiate, we will get the.
Are you getting my point? At 1 plus and 1 minus, we will getting the same value. Over there, concavity is defined. Okay. Next. Let us talk about third one. F of x equal to x into mod of x minus 1. X into mod of x minus 1, everyone. So over here, f of x will be equal to. Okay, we need to find out the differentiability at x equal to 1, right? So if the f of x will be equal to, let us define at x around x equal to 1. It will be equal to x into x minus 1. When x is greater than 1, right? Tell me, everyone. It will be equal to x into 1 minus x when x is less than 1. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? What is f dash x? F dash x will be equal to 2x. Shamli, are you getting?
Yes, sir. I did this.
And it will be equal to minus 2x when x is less than 1. So what is f dash at 1 plus, everyone? F dash at 1 plus will be equal to 2. And f dash at 1 minus will be equal to minus 2. So hence it is not differentiable.
So 2x minus 1.
2x minus 1. Oh, acha, wait. 2x minus 1. And over here, minus 2x plus 1. Okay. Hence f is. Shania, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Differentiable at x equal to 1.
One values of 1 plus and 1 minus will change.
I have checked it. I have dash at 1 plus is 2.
No, it won't be 2 anymore. Plus 2 only.
You subtracted 1.
Oh, acha. F dash at 1 plus will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. And f dash at 1 minus will be equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 1, that is minus 1. Okay. So next.
I guess he's scared of you.
No, why? Part 4, everyone. X minus 1 into mod of x minus 1. Those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me. Shubhankit, Samragni, Ronak, Shinika, Madhurjo, are you people getting? Joytro,
Yes, sir.
Shrita, are you getting?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone, from the above questions, you see there is a pattern in the above questions. X into mod of x. X into mod of x was differentiable. X into mod of x minus 1 was not differentiable. X minus 1 into mod of x minus 1 was differentiable at x equal to 1. Are you getting, everyone? So if one of the function becomes 0, the function becomes differentiable. Are you getting? So let us write it down. So similarly, x minus 2 into mod of x minus 2 will be differentiable at x equal to 2. Are you getting? There's a pattern. So write it down. From the above questions. I didn't do for y equal to x minus 1 into mod of x minus 1, right? Y equal to x minus 1. This will be x minus 1 into mod of x into x minus 1. When x is greater than or equal to 1, it will be equal to x minus 1 into 1 minus x when x is less than 1. Okay. So what is y dash? Y dash will be equal to 2 into x minus 1. When x is greater than or equal to 1, it will be equal to minus 2 into when x is less than 1. So y dash at 1 plus will give us 0 and y dash at 1 minus will be equal to 0. So see, it becomes differentiable. So note it down. From the above questions, we see that from the above questions, we see that x into mod of x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1, but x minus 1 into mod of x minus 1 is differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay. Hence, if a non-differentiable function is multiplied to a differentiable function, okay, f of x such that f of x will be equal to 0 at a point. F of x will be equal to 0 at a point. Then the resultant function becomes differentiable at x equal to 0. Differentiable at that point. at that point. Otherwise, the function is not differentiable. Otherwise, the function is not differentiable. Is not differentiable. When f of x is not equal to 0 at that point. Okay, everyone. Whenever f of x is equal to 0, okay, then the function becomes differentiable. Okay, like x minus 1, x minus 2 into mod of x minus 2 is differentiable at x equal to 2. Okay, so one last problem. Okay, last problem, quickly solve. Question number 8. What is it? 7. We did only 7 problems. F of x equal to ax square plus 1 when x is less than or equal to 1, and x square plus ax plus b when x is greater than 1. Find a and b if f is differentiable at x equal to 1. Find a and b if f is differentiable at x equal to 1. Okay, should I solve? No. Quickly solve. Quickly solve. This is the last problem.
Sir.
Show. Correct. Let us start. Everyone. Remember, we're done. Sure.
Just one sentence.
It's very fast. Oh, A is correct. Find B. Correct. Yes. Not in. Okay, this was the last problem, everyone. Okay. Yes. Aisha, your answer is correct. And Aditya, your answer is correct. Correct.
Could you check A?
No. That's a mistake.
Sir.
B is correct. A is what is write A properly.
Sir, 1.
No, check it again. Yes, Shwankit, A is correct. Find B. Yes, Shamli, done. No, check
Sir,
it.
no.
Answer. Yes, Agnivesh is done.
Yes.
What is B?
Being so. Is correct. So,
Hmm?
is correct.
A is correct. So you have written all your notes in that diary. Are you able to understand when you look at it afterwards? No. So why did you write it in that?
No, I will understand.
You'll understand. Oh.
Sir, from class 11, this is your 8th copy.
Hey, and my one tab only. It's 112. Oh, check it out. Okay, everyone, I'm solving. So we should remember that if f is differentiable, that means f is continuous also, right? Everyone pay attention. So there are two conditions we need to apply. Anvesha, your answer is correct. Adrisha, your answer is correct. Protoy, your answer is correct. Since, yes, Aditya, your answer is correct. Since f is differentiable at x equal to 1, this implies f is continuous at x equal to 1. So let us apply the condition of continuity. F of 1 minus must be equal to f of 1 plus. Are people getting? Now what is f of 1 minus? A plus 1, and f of 1 plus will be equal to 1 plus a plus b. Right, tell me everyone. So I think b is coming as 0 everyone. This implies b is equal to 0. Right, Agriva, you got b 0? Let us find out f dash x. F dash x will be equal to ax square plus 1, that means 2ax when x is less than or equal to 1. That will be equal to 2x plus a when x is greater than 1. Okay. So what is f dash at 1 plus? F dash at 1 plus will be equal to 2a. And what is f dash at 1 minus? It will be equal to 2 plus a. Okay. This implies 2a equal to plus a. This implies a is equal to 2. Done. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so I think we can keep it till now. Next class will again continue. Thank you everyone and good night. Those are online, thank you. This was the last problem.
Right, sir.
Yes.